Okay, so I have a funny story for you. It happened last week. It's about a man on the train. A very strange man. So, I take the train to work every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every day, the same train, at the same time, 7:30 in the morning. And it's always a little boring. Yes, boring is the right word. Everyone is quiet. People read books, or they look at their phones, or they sleep. I usually listen to music and look out the window. I see the same houses, the same trees, the same cars, every day. It's my normal, boring morning. But last Tuesday was different. The train stopped at a station, like always, and a man got on. He looked normal, just a normal man. He had a black suit, a black briefcase. He looked like a businessman. Maybe he worked in an office like me. He sat down opposite me, across the aisle. I could see him very well. He put his briefcase on his lap. He opened it. I thought, okay, he will take out a newspaper or a laptop. But no, he did not take out a newspaper. He took out a banana. Just a banana. A big yellow banana. It was a very nice banana, I guess. I thought, okay, breakfast. That's normal. People eat on the train. I sometimes eat a sandwich or an apple. A banana is a good breakfast. Healthy. So I stopped looking. I looked out the window again. Trees, houses, cars. But then I heard something. A voice. A man's voice. The voice said, "Hello?" I looked at the man. He was holding the banana next to his ear, like a telephone. I thought, what? Am I seeing this right? Maybe I'm still sleeping. The man listened. He nodded his head. He said, yes, this is he. He was talking to the banana. I looked around the train. Did anyone else see this? A woman across from me was reading her book, but her eyes were looking up over the book. She was watching him too. A young man with headphones, he was smiling. We all saw it, but we all pretended not to see it. It was so strange and so funny. The man's conversation with the banana continued. He looked very serious. He said, "I understand. The meeting is at 10. Okay. He listened more. What? No, tell Mr. Barry that we can't do that. It's just not possible. I tried so hard not to laugh. I had to bite my lip. My face was getting red. Mr. Barry, he was talking about business with a banana. Then his face changed. He looked worried. He whispered into the banana, "Are you sure? 100 monkeys? That's a lot of monkeys. Where will we find the peanuts? 100 monkeys. Peanuts." I looked at the woman with the book again. She was shaking. She was trying not to laugh too. Her book was covering her mouth. This went on for maybe 5 minutes. A long, serious business call on a banana phone. He even got a little angry. He said, "Listen, you listen to me. I am the boss here, not you." He was pointing his finger at the banana, arguing with it. I couldn't believe it. The whole train car was quiet. Everyone was listening. Everyone was watching, but everyone were pretending they were not. Finally, his voice became calm again. He said, Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, we will find the peanuts." He listened for one more moment. Then he smiled. "Okay, that's great news. Talk to you later. Bye." And he moved the banana away from his ear. The phone call was over. I thought, okay, that's the end. He's just a strange man. A very strange, funny man. He looked at the banana. He held it in his 2 hands. I thought maybe he will put it back in his briefcase. But no, he peeled the banana and he ate it. He just ate his phone. That was it for me. I couldn't stop it. A laugh just came out. A loud laugh. The woman with the book, she started laughing too. And the young man with the headphones, he took them off and he was laughing loudly. Soon, a few other people were laughing. It was a train car full of laughing people at 7:45 in the morning. And the strange man? He just looked at us. He was chewing his banana. He looked confused. Like, why is everyone laughing? He had no idea. He just finished his breakfast. The train came to my stop. I had to get off. I was still smiling. I looked at the woman with the book one last time, and we both just started laughing again. I walked to my office, and I was happy all day. I couldn't stop thinking about the man with the banana phone. So now, every morning when I get on the train, it's not boring anymore. I always look for him. I look for the strange man on the train. I want to know who he will call next. Maybe an apple? Or an orange? You never know.